How long does it take you to retouch skin in a single photo? 5 minutes? Or 10? And what if it's dozens, maybe even hundreds of images? Skin retouching isn't difficult, but getting the skin tone right, preserving natural texture, avoiding a flat or plastic look, that's the real challenge. These images were processed in just a few seconds. Today, I'm going to share a method that helps you speed up the skin retouching part of your workflow while still preserving detail and natural texture, using a tool called Reblum. It's an automatic skin retouching tool that works as a standalone application or integrates directly into Photoshop, Lightroom, and Capture One. Let's see how it works. First, duplicate the original layer so we can clearly compare before and after. In Photoshop, after installation, Reblum appears directly inside the filter menu. The interface is quite simple and easy to understand. The tool provides two retouching styles. Natural focuses on removing major imperfections while preserving texture and skin realism. You can zoom in and toggle the eye icon to preview before and after. Fashion applies a stronger level of processing, creating smoother and more even skin. Now I'll place three versions side by side: the original, natural, and fashion, so you can clearly see the difference. In addition to the two main styles, we also have three fine-tuned sliders for more detailed adjustments. General controls the overall strength of the effect. Higher values, stronger processing, closer to fashion. Lower values, more natural, closer to natural style. In short, General determines the overall intensity. Texture controls how much the skin is smoothed while preserving detail. Higher texture, smoother skin, and more reduced pores. Lower texture, more surface structure preserved, more natural. It doesn't just smooth the skin, but adjusts how much texture is retained. Tone works on skin color and tonal consistency. Increasing tone reduces redness and balances uneven color patches. Tone does not smooth the skin, but focuses on evening out the color. Regarding presets, we have three options. High quality prioritizes quality and processes both face and body areas fully. Suitable for important images. Fast balances speed and quality, mainly focusing on the face. Suitable when handling large quantities. Ultra fast prioritizes speed, processing key areas for the fastest possible result. Suitable for quick review, image selection, or preview processing. For this image, I'll choose the high-quality preset to prioritize maximum quality and detail retention, even though the processing time may be slightly longer due to more comprehensive analysis. After setting everything, simply press OK to complete the process. Here, you can see that part of the hair is slightly affected, because the algorithm detects skin areas and bright areas that are quite similar. I will mask this area to preserve the hair detail. Now I will create a black and white adjustment layer to remove the influence of color, allowing us to observe the structure and contrast of the skin more clearly. I will reduce the red and yellow channels to increase contrast in the skin areas. When zooming in and comparing before and after, you can see that the skin is smoothed quite naturally. Details such as moles or larger imperfections are handled relatively accurately, while the surface structure of the skin is still preserved. Overall, the result looks like it has gone through a manual retouching process. But the processing time only takes a few seconds. The important point here is not how smooth the skin becomes, but how well the skin structure is preserved after processing. Many photographers only color grade inside Lightroom, but when deeper skin retouching is needed, Lightroom simply doesn't offer specialized tools. So instead of switching to Photoshop, I can open Reblum directly within this workflow. Press Ctrl+A to select all images. Right-click. Edit in. Reblum. Here, I'll choose Edit a Copy to keep the original files untouched and work on a separate version, maintaining a non-destructive workflow. Lightroom will automatically create copies and send the selected images into the Reblum interface, similar to working inside Photoshop. All the settings we apply here will be used across every selected image in this batch. For example, I'll choose the fashion style with the high-quality preset. We can still preview each image individually before confirming the process. The preview result shows that the skin looks cleaner and more even, while the natural texture is still preserved. Now we just let the system process the files. With only a few simple steps, we can retouch an entire batch without separating files or switching between applications, saving a significant amount of time in a real-world workflow. Once finished, open the images back in Lightroom and compare before and after. Even though the model's skin had multiple imperfections, the result appears relatively more even and cleaner, while still preserving natural texture. The entire process stays within the familiar Lightroom workflow without interrupting your editing flow. Similar to Lightroom, Capture One is also widely used for color grading. Select the images you want to retouch, right-click, Edit with, Reblum. Capture One will prompt the export settings before sending the files to Reblum. I'll keep the default settings and continue. Reblum opens almost instantly. Here, I'll choose the natural style, fine-tune the settings to match the set, zoom in to check the details, and use the fast preset to balance speed and quality before pressing OK. One of the key strengths here is the ability to apply the same configuration across multiple images, ensuring consistency throughout the entire set. Once finished, return to Capture One and quickly compare before and after. You can see that the skin appears relatively cleaner and more even, while still preserving its natural texture. Sometimes I don't want to open Lightroom or Photoshop. For example, when I just need to quickly refine the skin to preview images in my library. I simply select the image in Finder, right-click, and open it with Reblum. I adjust the settings until the result reaches a suitable level, clean enough while still preserving the natural skin texture. Reblum responds quickly, and the preview updates almost instantly, allowing me to precisely control the level of retouching. From here, I can choose the appropriate export format, adjust the quality percentage, then press Save. Here, I'll create a new folder to store the exported files. Reblum runs entirely on your machine without requiring an internet connection or relying on any cloud platform, and there are no limits on the number of files you can process. This makes it especially convenient when I want to handle the initial skin cleanup before moving into more advanced retouching, while significantly optimizing my overall workflow. If you'd like to try Reblum, the link is at the top of the description. There's currently a promotion running, and you can use code PST20 for an additional 20% off when upgrading. You get a 7-day free trial with no credit card required. It works on both Mac and Windows, and the license can be used on 2 machines. Like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks so much for watching till the end.